What's going on, everybody? It's David down at Crosstown Auto Centre in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore, we have the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in brilliant black crystal pearl, powered by the 3.2 liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood. Come to the front here, we have our projector style headlamps lighting up the road in front of us with our LED running lights up above and our turn signal. You have that unique Jeep grille cutouts. You have two red tow hooks on your front bumper along with two fog lamps, and it has very aggressive styling. Come over to the right side here. The Cherokee is running on Firestone Destination 17-inch mud and snow tires that are going to give you lots of traction. You have blacked out rims and four-wheel disc brakes all around. Your trail rated badge, that just makes this Jeep that much more unique. Both driver and passenger doors do have breakaway power mirrors, and they're heated mirrors as well, so you can heat those up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. You do have the proximity key fob. You put your hand around the door handle, it'll sense the fob is near, and it will unlock all the doors for you, and you can always press that button to lock up your Cherokee when you're done with it. Here's your door panel. You have storage down below with a cup holder. Nice leather padding there for your arm with unique red stitching. You have your power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger windows are automatic, and you have driver's seat presets, and you can save up to 2 presets for the seat settings. And driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. Leather seating throughout. Adjustable headrests in the front seats, and you have unique Trailhawk badges on the front seats, which looks sharp. Adjustable seatbelt height, depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those to be most comfortable. Panoramic sunroof up above. Leather wrapped steering wheel. You have a tilt steering wheel too, so you can adjust that for the best driving position. You have an automatic headlamp, so you can set it and forget it with your dimmer switch, and your power liftgate button there too. 2 big cup holders in the middle, spot for some pens. Nice leather padding there for your arm. Lift this up, you have an upper storage bin for many different things. Grab a little lower, you have a built-in CD player, and you have a 12-volt DC power outlet, which allows you to plug in many different things. And you have a USB port there as well, and plenty of space for it if you want. You have 2 cutouts on both sides, so you can run cords along the side, so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Let's close this door and take a look into the back seat area. Alright, here's your back seat door panel. You have storage down below, leather padding for your arm, nice stitching, power window switch. This little tag means you have airbags built into the seats for safety, pocket on the back of the driver's seat, directional air vents in the middle which you can open and close, and you have a 115 volt AC power outlet, and you have heavy duty mats in the back seat as well as the front seat too. Fold down armrests with 2 cup holders in the middle. Back seat reading lamps up above, adjustable headrests in the back seats too. You can fold down the seats back here too if you want to haul larger items. It is a 60-40 rear split setup, and they just lock back into place like so. Come back here, close the door. Let's move on the back and take a look. You have LED tail lamps on the back, your rear window wiper, looking awesome. You have your spot for your trailer hitch down below, dual exhaust tips out the back, Trailhawk badge there, Jeep badge, and your 4x4 badge looking sharp. And it is a power liftgate, and under here there's a button that you just need to press. Just press it once and it'll open right before your eyes. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. And you have plenty of space back here, and under here you do have your spare tire and your tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. You have your subwoofer built on the right here, convenience light, hooks so you can hang up bags so they're not rolling around all over the place. You have a cover here, so if you don't want anything to be seen back here, you can pull out your cover, hook it in, and everything will be out of sight. You have even more hooks on the left side here with the unique Jeep grille and headlight touch on there. Trailhawk package here. You have many cool things in here, including gloves and some straps, and it's there for your convenience. And you can just zip it back up like that, and it just hangs out there. Storage spot there, 12-volt DC power outlet, nice Jeep badge. Press this button here on the left, and that closes up your power liftgate, and it comes right down before your eyes again. Man, I never get tired of this. It's pretty cool. And again, your Trailhawk badge, absolutely beautiful. Your backup camera is right there as well. There's where you put fuel inside the Jeep Cherokee. Here's your backseat door panel again. Storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm, great stitching, power window switch. Seats are looking nice. Grab the handle up here and you can fold the seat down. Look at that. Looks great. And you can fold it back up and locks it back into place. You have airbags built into the back seats too. Passenger seat up front also has airbags built into it. You can unlock all the doors using your passenger door handle too, as long as you have your key fob. Press the black button if you want to lock up the Cherokee. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. You have a pocket on the side of the middle console here with a Trailhawk badge there, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Here's your glove box. You got your manual in there, a convenience light, and you can lock up the glove box if you have important documents in there. And overall, the interior is stunning. Here's your directional air vent, and you can open and close all the air vents throughout the Jeep Cherokee. And you have storage down below, leather padding for your arm, power locks, power window switch, and you can close this door, and you'll see you have another trail rated badge on the passenger side. And now I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk, and here's your key fob. Looks great. You have an unlock button, a lock button, remote start. You can open up your power liftgate. You got a panic button there, and we just go ahead and put it down here in the middle. And to start up the Jeep, you put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the right and press your push button start button, and that will fire it up for you. The tachometer, the speedometer, the large LCD screen in the middle, it looks absolutely sharp, and you have 30,483 kilometers on this Jeep Cherokee. So come book a test drive today at Crosstown. And using buttons on the left side of our steering wheel, we go through our large LCD screen in the middle. And first you'll see we have a digital speedometer, which can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info, tells you your tire pressures, your coolant temperature, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, battery voltage, and back to your tire pressures. You have your driver assist area, and you have your fuel economy, tells you your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Feel free to reset that whenever you want. You have two trick computers that tells you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time it's taken you. Feel free to reset both of those. You have the stop and start system built into this Jeep, so if you're stuck in traffic, the engine will shut off to save fuel, and as soon as you release the brake, the engine will fire back up, and you'll be good to go again. Audio center lets you know what's playing. Message center in case your Jeep wants to tell you something. Screen setup here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. And back to your digital speedometer. And if you open any door on this Jeep, it will let you know which door is open. And you have steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. You have a nice Jeep badge here in the middle, cruise control on the right, and you have adaptive cruise control, and you can adjust it by using the buttons on the steering wheel there. You do have voice recognition, and you press a button on the left side here. You can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice, and those buttons on the steering wheel will also help you in answering and hanging up calls using Bluetooth. And the steering wheel feels great in your hand. Programmable garage door opener up above. Fold down sun visor, has a convenience mirror and lights so you can see what you look like. Push button reading lamps up above with buttons for your panoramic sunroof. Auto dimming rear view mirror. You have a sunglasses holder here. Passenger sun visor also has a convenience mirror and lights so your passengers can see what they look like. Down below you have a electronic parking brake, automatic transmission, nice red stitching, feels good in your hand. Throw the Cherokee into reverse, you have a backup camera that appears on your touchscreen Uconnect system, and if you turn the wheel it'll guide you to where you're going to go. And you have front and rear ParkSense parking sensors. If you get close to an object front or behind you, it will let you know how close you're getting to those objects with visual signs, and you'll hear a loud chime. You have manual shift mode there as well. Put it back in park. You have your Selec-Terrain System. You can turn it and optimize the Jeep to drive in the conditions that you're driving in, and I'll let you know on the LCD screen. And you can put it back in auto mode. You have four-wheel drive low, hill descent assist, rear locking differential. It's all there for you. And on the right side here you have a USB port, auxiliary port, and an SD card port, and a 12-volt DC power outlet there right beside them. You have forward collision warning, which you can turn on and off. You have lane departure assist, also known as LaneSense, which you can also turn on and off. You have your hazards here. You can turn off your ParkSense parking sensors, and you can easily turn them back on again. And you have active ParkSense, which you need to be in drive in order to use, and you can turn that on and off yourself. You have your directional air vents in the middle, and they look very nice. Great stitching on the dashboard. Storage area up above, and here's our touchscreen Uconnect system. And you have dual climate control. You can adjust the fan speed. You can unsync and sync the temperatures. You can adjust where you want the air to go. You can see what the temperatures are set at. And you have access to your driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats, your heated steering wheel, and your mirror dimmer. And those are also your controls there too. You can turn on the auto feature, which allows the Jeep to adjust your climate control for you. Turn on air conditioning and all that fun stuff. Uconnect apps showing you everything that you have. GPS navigation area, view the map. It's always going to show you exactly where you are, and you can put in an address and it'll show you how to get to where you want to go, and you can zoom in and out on the map. Bluetooth area, would I take the phone? That's okay, I'll let you connect your phone. Everything you can do on your phone, you can do on your touchscreen Uconnect system to make hands-free calls, and you can pair more than one device. You have AM FM radio with Sirius XM. You have access to a mini map connected to your GPS navigation area there. You have presets up above, and you can just hold it with your finger and that will set a preset like so. It tells you the song and the artist that's playing on the radio station. You can direct tune into a specific radio station. You can adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound mode. It's all there for you. Info bar up top tells you the time as well. Outside thermometer, and you have a compass there too, and what your temperatures are set at. And your media center, if you have anything plugged into the USB ports. If you have a CD in the CD player, go here. You can listen to all your favorite tunes through your system, and you have access to a mini map connected to your GPS navigation center right there too. And it's very easy to use. And down below you can turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Touch it with your finger, it comes back on. You got a back button to help you guide through your system. You can turn off your auto start and stop system. You have your traction control, tuning knob, browse button, volume knob, mute button. It shows you up top there. You can adjust your fan speed with this knob right there, adjust the temperatures, turn on your rear window defroster, your front defroster, air conditioning, and your recirculate button. And you got nice chrome touches around the buttons there too. And overall, it's a great setup for the dashboard. I think it looks absolutely great, and the seats are very comfortable to sit in, and you have plenty of visibility out the front window. And there's Crosstown Auto Center's service express lanes. Come book an oil change today. And also, come to Crosstown and book a test drive in this 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in brilliant black crystal pearl, powered by the 3.2-liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood. And up above, you may have noticed that you have roof racks, so you can tie things up there, maybe a canoe, some more luggage, so you can carry it up there when you go on a long trip with the 2016 Jeep Cherokee. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.